What China is doing, China is actually issuing they're doing trades on the same basis, utilizing dollars. But guess what? They're not utilizing dollars in Western banks because they've repatriated all of their dollars into Chinese banks. And they've got over $1 trillion of them in reserves. So China actually has already done this. They've issued a bond, a US dollar bond backed by Chinese banks, and the yield on that is lower than US Treasury, which tells you the market sees their risk as lower than the US. So they can still use dollars to facilitate trade. Now imagine this. Imagine they go and they take all of the commodity countries that they're actually trading with, where they're sucking up the resources across Africa, Southeast Asia, you name it. They can trade it all in dollars. They've got the financial mechanisms to do it outside of the Western banking system. So they're not hindered. They're in those contracts. I'm not saying they're doing this, but if I was them, I'd probably consider it, and maybe they are. You could put into your contract that the terms of that debt deal, because typically it's borrowed money by lent money by the Chinese for building railroads, pipelines, etc., etc. The repayment of that debt can be converted at any time at spot into something like Renminbi. Imagine you did that across all of the international trade. So it's all still running in dollars, but you have the ability to convert it at scale at the flick of a switch. And imagine you've got billions and billions of deals, dollars worth of deals. Now, if you're under pressure, militarily, financially, by the US, who are trying to sanction you, if you really want to hurt them, you can literally flip the switch on entire, probably trillions of dollars of trade, and you would just essentially dump the dollar.
Join Capitalist Exploits Insider now for just $1,499. Save $1,000. Get access to our $360 million portfolios. But hurry, this deal expires very soon. Visit capexploits.com now.